Elise, I know through our relationship that you've been preparing excellent meals, and I would relate to that in a cultural way to you mentioning that whenever you make something to eat, there needs to be a dash of love.
That's right. Yes.
Okay,
Dash of love.
a patch of love
Yeah.
that you
Yeah.
put into your preparations.
That's it. Yes.
Is that what's in your mind and in your heart when you prepare?
Yeah. It's like a artist. It's not just you make food. You create something. Food.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and you relate what your dishes relate to culture.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Yeah.
and am I right if I say it reflects on the culture when people in South Africa were using train stations and traveling by train a lot?
Yes, railway pie and gravy.
That is
Railway,
it.
yeah, railway pie and gravy with a railway coffee.
So that is culture. It's
Yes.
Africana. It's something that relates to the Afrikaner people during the years of. Can you remember what years? So the
Shoot,
60s,
in the
70s,
80s, yes, in the
Yeah.
80s.
But
Yeah.
okay, for all the English speaking people, if you come here to Elise at Coffee op die stoep, that means you have a cuppa on the stoop.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it stoop?
Stoop.
Okay, the stoop.
Yeah.
And you come have a traditional Afrikaner dish of the highest quality prepared with a dash of love.
Yeah, and these are baboti pies.
Baboti pies. It makes
Yes.
it a double tradition.
That's
Come find it in Van Coller Street in Paris in the Vredefort Dome.
That's okay, sakkie.